So this morning I'm going to show how I do the medicine without getting it on Phoenix's face, because she's a bit of a wriggler and she's very good at getting herself quite dirty. So what I've done is I've gone to the pharmacist and gotten a very small syringe. This is a 1 ml syringe, and it usually has little markings on it, but they've washed off because I like to keep it clean as I can. But I know exactly how much 2 drops is, which is what her dosage is, and I load up the syringe with her 2 drops. I'm doing quite badly this morning, nothing like a bit of performance anxiety. And I know that that distance is pretty much 2 drops. Now you can see that there's a lot of oil stuck around the edge of the syringe, and this oil, if it gets on her skin, makes it all unhappy and itchy. So what I do is I wipe the whole syringe really thoroughly with a tissue. Then I get the bird. I know, sweetheart, come on. Who was generally quite unhappy about the whole deal, and I very gently and slowly put it into her little beak, and that's how we do it. Good girl.